Assalamu alaikum. We are here on discussing on the English assignment given by government on fourth week. It is the second assignment of class 9 of English. There was two questions given by the government on unit 5, lesson 1 and lesson 3. So let us start. At first the question was of a lesson 1D. It was about a person, Meherjan's life, who lives beside a river of Jamuna. There was some blank. We need to put the specific word on those and maintain the paragraph. So let us start. Meherjan is a typical homeless woman who lives in Islam. She lost her shelter and properties due to the erosion of the river Jamuna. She lost her family. Her husband had died of disease caused by poverty and shortage of food. Now she is only a slum dweller. Like Meherjan, there are many people who have become the victims of river erosion. River erosion is still posing threats to the lives and properties of thousands of people. People living close to the rivers are most likely victims of river erosion. Each year about 1 lakh people become homeless due to river erosion in our Bangladesh. Meherjan's life is just one example of how climate affects the lives of thousands of people. So at first there was some blank space 10. Let us put, you should fill in the blanks. The second question was to write a letter to a newspaper about the deforestation changing in your area. We know how to write a letter to a newspaper editor. We can write in this way. At first, the date when it was given, then to whom, then where, the address also, then the subject, request for publishing a news in the letter column. Dear sir, I along with the people of my area will be highly benefited if you kindly publish the following lines in the column of your esteemed newspaper. Yours faithfully, the name. It is the first page and the first part should be written like this, and then what will be written in the newspaper, that will be written next, giving a headline: deforestation and its devastating consequence. The article should be written in a specific words. Now what can you write is given. Deforestation means cutting down trees in large number. The causes of deforestation are many. Bangladesh is the most densely populated country in the world. Its population is much more in proportion to its area. This huge number of population needs more shelter, fuel, agricultural land, furniture, etc. For these, people cut trees. There are also some dishonest people who cut trees in our area to make money. There are a lot of effects of this deforestation. This destruction disturbs our ecological balance. The existence of our life is going to be threatened. Due to the deforestation, carbon dioxide is increasing worldwide. As a result, the world is becoming warmer. The sea level is increasing day by day, and many parts of the world are going to be engulfed by sea in future. The new areas of the world are turning into deserts as a result of deforestation. The removal of trees causes birds and other animals living on them to leave the place. It also causes serious changes damaging to the soil, as trees give protection to soil as well. So if we destroy trees at random, one day the country will turn into a great desert. All living animals and birds will not find any food or shelter to live in. They will be destroyed. There will be no rain, and as a result, our agriculture will face a great crisis. The temperature will rise and it will cause greenhouse effect. The country will be unsuitable for living, and various natural calamities like flood, drought, storm, etc. will able to seem very frequently. We should take some measures. The immediate measures should be taken to prevent deforestation. People should be aware of tree plantation. Tree plantation program should be extended throughout the country, and it will be our slogan that plant trees, save the country. This part should be in this part should be written in newspaper, and the finishing will be used obediently on behalf of people of my area. Then what? Thanks to all of you. Assalamu alaikum.